Hey everyone, it's your girl Cosmix Wonderland, and in today's video we are going to be doing some Frozen inspired snow goddess body paint, face paint, makeup inspired by the one and only with love. Nadia Danielle Wellington from Instagram. So I saw this picture of hers. I hope you guys can see it. So I saw this and I thought, oh my god, I have to try this. I want to give her all of the credit that she deserves because I basically copied her almost 100%. So I was extremely more than inspired by this look she did, and I think that it is phenomenal. If you guys are not following her on Instagram, you need to. She puts out the most fire makeup looks ever. Like, I'm dead. Rest in peace. So good. She's super talented, and I kind of ripped her off. I hope she's not mad. I want this to be a tribute to her. You know, I want her to be like, dang, she did a good job. This is just like a fan moment. Hello, hey, what's up? So I went ahead and I did this makeup look here. And if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then stay tuned because here we go. you guys. So, these white eyelashes did not start out white. They were black. Yes, I face painted them white. And then I set them with setting powder. And yeah, now they're white. So they match the theme. If you're curious how I did that, that's literally all I did. White lashes. Now we need to add our top liner using these crystals here. Awesome! Crystal top liner done. I'm gonna try and do some white liner here. Stay fantabulous, and as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye!